A powerful function of Excel is the ability to add and subtract dates. This is possible because Excel stores each date as a unique serial number. It is only a cell's formatting that forces a number to be displayed as a date. For example, January 1st, 1900 is stored as number 1, January 2nd, 1900 is stored as 2, and so on. May 10th, 2016 is 42,500 as it is 42,499 days after January 1st, 1900. The date value function converts a date entered as text to the date's serial number. The syntax of date value function is date text, text that represents a date in an Excel date format or a reference to a cell that contains text that represents a date in an Excel date format. Dates entered in the function must be wrapped in double quotes. Dates can be entered directly into the date value function in a variety of date formats. For example, they can be entered as month, day, year, or like 31st December 2020 or December 31st, 2020. Because the Excel date value function converts a text date to a serial number, you will have to make that number look like a date by applying the date format. The easiest way is to select the cells to be formatted and then select the date cell formatting option from the drop-down menu in the number group on the Home tab. If the year is omitted in a text date, Excel's date value will pick the current year from your computer system clock because it's the default setting. If you have two-digit years, they are interpreted differently based on the range of number you entered. The numbers from 0 to 29 are interpreted as the years 2000 to 2029. The numbers from 30 to 99 are interpreted as the years 1930 to 1999. For example, when you pass 1129, the function returns January 1st, 2029, and when you pass 1118, it returns January 1st, 2018. When you pass 1130, the function returns January 1st, 1930, and when you pass 1150, it returns January 1st, 1950. Function will return a pound value error if date text refers to a cell that does not contain a date formatted text. For example, cell A11 is formatted as date and not text. So date value returns a pound value error. Pound value error occurs if the supplied date text cannot be recognized as a valid Excel date. To download example Excel file used in this video, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.